Peace, what's going on, everyone? This is Venomous2000 of V2G Multimedia. I want to try to help you guys out with something that I recently came across. And the name of this app is Metricool, Metricool.com. And it's a social media manager. So what I'm going to show you is what I just really was looking for something where I could post on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook from one location without all the restrictions that I was finding in Meta Suite. When I went into Meta Suite and I attempted to upload content for Instagram, I wasn't able to do certain things like invite collaborators. It was very difficult. It wasn't so simple to do. But in finding this, man, I've been using it just for the day, and I already have a bunch of stuff kind of lined up. So let me just show you. So what happens is they provide you with analytics of all your pages, the likes, your followers, and all of those other things. And I believe that this is just for Facebook, but you can change it and go through the different ones. But what I'm using it for strictly for now is this planning phase. So what happens is this is showing that earlier today on Thursday I posted 2 videos. There was one that posted at 11:11 and another one I was just testing, and I posted it at 10:18 and it worked. So I also set up a post that I have for tomorrow. So what I want to do is walk you through this program. They allow you 50 posts per month for the free service, for the free plan, which I believe that's more than enough for what I'll need it for now. But if I find that this is something extremely helpful, then I have no problem paying those additional $20. So now let's see, I'm going to create a post, right? So I am going to go into my YouTube because there's a particular video that I had started posting. What I'm gonna do right here is take some of the stuff that I put inside of the description box. So I'm just gonna copy some of this stuff here and then go back into this and paste it in. So this is the screen that shows what the post is going to look like as it shows up on Facebook and also here on Instagram. So you can see that it's highlighted here for Facebook, and then this is what it'll look like. But if I go to Instagram, it's going to look like this. Granted, I haven't put any content in there, but let me go grab that. So I believe it's beat, let's see, what is the beat? It's called beat 12. Okay, so we're gonna go in here, add video, and I'm going to type in, oh, it may already be there. Let's see, Venstrumentals, and it is Venstrumental 12. So let's see, Venstrumental 12. Yeah, that was it. So open that up. So now I have it open, and you can instantly, which I like about this, you can put a thumbnail on it. So I already have a custom thumbnail that is here in my downloads. It's right here for Instrumentals. I open it up. So this is the preview for Instagram. Me personally, I'm not worried about this because I'm posting it as a reel and it's just music. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go directly into Instagram and correct that. I'm not worried about that. I just wanted to post. So what else do I need to do? I need to scroll down here. Notice it says the publishing date. So I'm going to go all the way out to, I believe we were at October 13th. So I'm already posting and planning all the way into October for Facebook and for Instagram. Let me just see if it matches what I have here for this. Yeah, oh, October 6th. October 6th, not the 13th, sorry. So October 6th. So you see that everything changed here for Facebook. Listen, this is beautiful. You can add up to 2,200 characters. I'm at 918, which means that I have to go and grab a couple more things that I had lined up for the original post. And the only reason this happened is because I set all of this stuff up prior to finding this program. Now that I have this program, after, I'm not going to take all of these things down. I'm just going to leave them for now. But I'm going to catch up with the other social media, Instagram and Facebook. I didn't get a chance to do the same thing for, so I was ahead here. So the only thing is, you see how it says 35 out of 30 hashtags? You can't go over, and I believe that's based on Instagram's sort of approach to doing it. I think everything is good now, right? You can even go here to kind of like sample it. Watch. Life was hard. And then you can go to what it's gonna look like on Instagram. Life was hard. And show the whole feed preview. So this is what it's gonna look like. So it has everything there for you. This is, listen, crazy. So I hit schedule. Even if there were some mistakes, you can see here is loading. Usually take maybe about a minute or two, maybe 3-4 minutes or something like that, but it's well worth the time, because again, remember, if I hadn't already posted this content on YouTube, if I hadn't already posted it on YouTube, then I would have selected Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I could put my Twitter. I don't really use Twitter like that, so maybe I should start. So now, let me show you. This is just giving you the schedule. So I'm at now 6 out of 50. It says 5 out of 50, but I'm at 6 out of 50. So I'm going to go all the way to September. Remember, all of this stuff is blank here because I already have it directly in YouTube, on YouTube and on Instagram already. But I needed to set up for the later phases. Let's see, where is it? What did I just post? Here we go. Look at that. September 15th. There's a pending post. You can go in there. You can take a look at it. You can even play the content to see, what it is that you uploaded. And that's just another instrumental that I have. So I'm going to cancel that. And I'm still going to go to what I was looking for, which was the October. See, I have my September 22nd, 2 posts, 1 in the AM, 1 in the PM. And then here for October 5th, boom, there's 1. And I believe this one right here is the one we were looking for, October 6th. This is exactly what we just scheduled. And I know because I can go here. Test it out. Listen, man. If you don't have this program and you are attempting to do this social media thing while you have a family, you have a job, you have other things going on, this is the blessing that I was looking for. So I told they even have a chat feature where you can ask questions and all of these things. And again, this is the free program that I'm using. So I actually explained to her in this here that I was going to invest in the company and most likely upgrade to the premium account once I see that this is really working for me, because I have no problem with this helping me out. But just to give you an idea of how much this costs. So again, I'm here in the free version, which it's not even listed here, but you have your starter for $18 a month, and then you have your $45 or whatever the case. But you could go, and again, I'm doing free for now, and if this makes sense to me. If I'm able to pick up some other brands, help out some other people, then maybe I will upgrade. But for right now, if this could get me 3 months of relaxation so that I could focus on other things, other thoughts, other creations, and all of my stuff is already lined up, locked and loaded and ready to go, then man, look, this is a game changer. So again, check them out. Metricool. They have the V2G multimedia stamp of approval. I'm probably going to make some other videos, maybe some more condensed. This is the first video, so pardon if it's a little lengthy. But I'm attempting to just be as transparent as I can. Because sometimes when people rush through videos, they miss out on a lot of things, and showing people rather. They sometimes just skip through things. Again, I know of the analytics. I know of the planning. I don't know what smart links are, but I'm going to find out. And also, what's cool is that you can see your inbox with all of the messages and things with all of your accounts. So, really, really good stuff, man. I'm excited about this, and I'm looking to share my journey with you guys. And hopefully, in another 5-6 months, all of these likes and followers, you know, maybe I could triple them, quadruple them. Who knows? It doesn't even matter. I'm just trying to share some content. You guys, be safe, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.